Sewer pipes are everywhere, yet almost nobody stops to wonder why they all seem to share the same shape. Whether buried beneath busy city streets or hidden under quiet neighborhoods, these underground tunnels are almost always perfectly round. At first glance, it might seem like nothing more than a tradition or a manufacturing preference. But the truth is that this simple circular design solves several engineering problems at once, making it one of the most efficient shapes ever adopted in modern infrastructure. Today, we'll uncover why sewer pipes are usually round and why engineers have trusted this shape for centuries. Let's explore, right here, on History of Simple Things. The history of sewer pipes stretches back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations like the Indus Valley, Mesopotamia, Greece, and Rome all understood the importance of removing wastewater from populated areas. The Romans, in particular, built impressive underground sewer systems, such as the famous Cloaca Maxima, parts of which still exist today. Early sewers were often made from carved stone, brick, or clay and came in many different shapes, including rectangular channels and arched tunnels. As engineering advanced during the Industrial Revolution, manufacturers began producing standardized clay, cast iron, and eventually concrete pipes. Through years of experience, engineers realized that the circular pipe consistently outperformed other shapes in strength, durability, and efficiency. By the late 19th and early 20th centuries, round pipes had become the international standard for sewer construction, a choice that continues to define modern underground infrastructure. One of the biggest reasons sewer pipes are round is because a circle distributes pressure evenly. Unlike square or rectangular pipes, which have corners that concentrate stress, every point along the wall of a circular pipe shares the load equally. This becomes extremely important once the pipe is buried underground. Soil above the pipe can weigh several tons, and roads, buildings, and passing vehicles add even more pressure. A round pipe naturally redirects these forces around its entire circumference instead of allowing them to focus on weak spots. This greatly reduces the chance of cracking, deformation, or collapse. Engineers often describe the circle as nature's strongest shape for containing internal or external pressure. The same principle explains why submarine hulls, pressure tanks, and many tunnels also use curved surfaces instead of flat walls. Even when ground conditions shift slightly over time, a round sewer pipe is better able to resist damage than pipes with sharp corners. Hydraulics provide another major advantage. Wastewater doesn't flow like clean drinking water. It carries solids, grease, paper, organic waste, and countless other materials. A circular pipe helps maintain a consistent flow velocity, even when the pipe is only partially full. During dry weather, only a small amount of sewage moves through the pipe. But because the bottom of a round pipe narrows into a curved channel, the water remains relatively deep and fast-moving. This helps carry solid waste instead of allowing it to settle. During heavy rainstorms, however, the same pipe can handle much larger volumes because its entire cross-sectional area becomes available. Engineers call this self-cleansing velocity, meaning the water moves fast enough to wash away sediment before it accumulates. Rectangular pipes often leave corners where debris collects, increasing the risk of blockages and requiring more frequent maintenance. The smooth, continuous curve of a circular pipe minimizes these dead zones and keeps wastewater moving more efficiently. Manufacturing is another reason circles dominate sewer construction. Producing round pipes is surprisingly efficient. Clay pipes can be extruded into cylinders, steel pipes can be rolled into tubes, concrete pipes can be spun inside circular molds, and plastic pipes like PVC and HDPE are naturally formed into round shapes during extrusion. These manufacturing methods produce consistent wall thickness and require less material than many alternative shapes that provide the same internal capacity. Because the structural forces are distributed more efficiently, engineers often need less material to achieve the same strength, reducing both production costs and transportation expenses. Round pipes are also easier to seal using rubber gaskets that fit evenly around the entire circumference, helping prevent leaks and keeping groundwater from entering the sewer system. This standardization allows manufacturers around the world to produce interchangeable pipe sizes, making repairs and expansions much simpler. That doesn't mean every sewer is perfectly round. In fact, if you've ever seen photographs of enormous underground sewers that people can walk through, you may have noticed egg-shaped, horseshoe-shaped, or oval tunnels. These special designs are typically used in very large sewer systems where engineers need to balance low-flow performance with the ability to carry massive stormwater during heavy rainfall. Egg-shaped sewers, for example, have a narrow bottom that concentrates small flows while providing a much wider upper section for flood conditions. However, these specialized shapes are expensive to build and are only practical for very large municipal systems. For the overwhelming majority of neighborhood sewer lines, the round pipe offers the best combination of structural strength, hydraulic performance, ease of manufacturing, and cost-effectiveness. It's the simplest solution that works exceptionally well in almost every situation. The next time you walk down a street, remember that beneath your feet lies an invisible network of engineering that quietly protects public health every single day. The round sewer pipe isn't just a convenient shape. It represents thousands of years of trial, innovation, and scientific understanding. Sometimes the most remarkable engineering isn't found in towering skyscrapers or massive bridges, but hidden beneath the ground where few people ever look. The humble round sewer pipe is a perfect reminder that the simplest designs are often the smartest, quietly serving millions of people every day without asking for attention. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.